Hello, InfoComm 2026. This is Merrick Adrianson, CTO of ReveLux D3 LED, and at this show we're very pleased to announce and show you the 0625 55-inch LCD replacement product. So on my shoulder here is a regular 55-inch LCD, and right next to it is a 55-inch equivalent of an 0625 LED display. Both are being fed by the same 1920 by 1080 video, and as you can see, they're very comparable. We're introducing this to the LCD replacement market, and obviously the benefit, if you're going to a very large video wall that has many of these panels, you don't have to worry about bezels in between, then it becomes a completely bezel-less design of any size. But it's we're showing it as a comparison to a 55-inch LCD since it's so comparable. And in the past, this was very, very expensive to be able to do that. And now with the technology that we're introducing, it is becoming more affordable, and it makes a lot of sense cost effectiveness-wise to replace 55-inch LCDs with this COB product that has 100,000 hours of lifetime. So come and check us out. Come at the show at N6933, or come and check us out on the website www.d3led.com or www.reveluxgroup.com. Great, thank you so much. You have a great show.